Alright, so today on Larry's Hobby Garage, all these guys are looking at the Cryx, Carrion Thralls, and the Convergence of Cyriss Prime Axiom. We're going to do a model review. So in the box you get a card and the blisters. We'll pop this open and take a look at the models. On the bases side, you get the bases and 3 packages of 3 flight stands each. There we go. Right here we have the looks like the leader, and it is on this piece of wood, tentacle, something that's crawling up out of the ground. And this pack is side over here. Oh, we got some wingless ones. Here's the leader. You get 3 full birds. One of the things I'm noticing here is we've got a little bit of flash here, a little bit of flash up there inside the jets or steam vents. Looking at the models, there's 3 sets of wings that are the same, and these open ones go with these birds that have the straight tail. The V-wings, 3 sets, go with the ones that have the tail curling underneath. Again, just some minor flash, that's pretty easy to clean up. Everything looks pretty clean. Let's zoom in here on some of the wing detail. So there's some of the wings there. Let's zoom in on this one. And so everything looks pretty good. Again, these are just the metal ones. Looks like it'll be pretty easy to put together. Add them on the bases and looks like you're good to go. For the Prime Axiom, Prime Conflux, and Servitors, this is going to actually be a little bit more of unboxing. Looks like I got a little bit of box damage. I went ahead and opened up the contents, just take a look inside. I've left everything in there. So this is going to be pretty fun to unpack. So the lid comes off, and the first thing we have here is the base and the bases along with the flying mounts for the servitors. This is the 120
The next thing we
uncover is one bag of parts on a sprue, 2 bags, parts on a sprue, 3 bags, parts on a sprue. In the bottom we get an instruction sheet. No magnets, but magnets will probably be added to this one. And then our card. I wasn't paying attention, but here is the center flying support piece that goes on the base and underneath the model. Okay, so here's the instruction sheet. It looks like you start with the lower body, build the legs, and you'll end up working from the bottom to the top. One thing that I'm noticing is that there's at least part number 110. Seems to be the highest part number I've found. Here is the inside, and when it comes down to this stage here with the arms, you stop. It looks like at this stage, step 46, you then decide which variant do you want to go do. Looking at the instructions, you have the Prime Axiom, which has this head, these arms, and then these shoulder pieces. And then I flipped over to take a look on the other side, and I was thinking about magnetizing this, but this may be a little bit more different or difficult than what I first thought. It looks like the arm pieces, 1, 2, 3, so 6 on each side for a total of 12 magnets, 2 heads, and then 2 shoulder pieces. So it looks like, let's see, what was that, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 9 to 18 magnets all total. I guess it'll be 18 magnets. Servitors put together pretty easy. Let's get this clear out of here. But once you get to step 46, looks like you're 7 or 8 steps away from the prime Axiom, a little bit more on the prime Conflux. So in the bags, this one here is your lower body parts, all in the bags there. This one here looks like the leg parts and the shoulders and some of the different support parts, more shoulder parts up here. I got some more parts that are getting glued on. You got the arms pieces here. All of these little guys that'll be glued on, looks like in step 1 or 2. Some of the arm pieces here in this bag, along with some other, looks like leg pieces. Well, I think the neighbor's finally done mowing, but anyway, thanks for tuning into this episode of Larry's Hobby Garage, and we'll catch you on the next time. Well, I think the neighbor's finally done mowing, but thanks for